Okay guys, to do the crystal lip gloss, what you're gonna need are the crystals. These are rose quartz. And what you're gonna do is put a couple into the lip gloss tube. Of course, rose quartz promotes love and calmness and stuff like that. And then I'm going to get the lip gloss base, which is the holographic clear. And I'm gonna put it in, squirt it in. And this is what it looks like so far. Stop focusing on my face, camera. You can barely see them because of the, what's it called? There's a lot of bubbles in the lip gloss base since I just made it, but it will get crystal clear. And you'll just see the holographic glitter and you'll see the crystals you put in. And for the big crystals, I'm just gonna put one per lip gloss tube. Come on, focus, camera. There we go. They're really, really pretty. And the great thing about these crystals is that they have holes in them, so after you're done using your lip gloss tube, come on. After you're done using your lip gloss tube, you can make it into a necklace. I don't know if you guys can see that tiny hole, but after you're done using your lip gloss, you can cut open the lip gloss tube and make it into a necklace. My daughter is right here, currently trying to get into everything. Abella, go over there. So I'm just gonna get the lip gloss tube. No, first for the big ones, I'm gonna start filling up the tube. So you guys have seen me do this before. Start filling up the tube, like halfway or most of the way, like that. Hope you guys can see that. My camera's about to die, so that's why I'm going fast. You're gonna pick the crystal you want. Come on, if you're supposed to focus on my face and get out the way. So, and then you're gonna put the crystal into the tube. Oh, I hope it fits. Squeeze it in there. Oh, it's in. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the crystal's in there. And then I'm gonna put in the rest of the gel, the lip gloss. It said gel. I'm just gonna fill up the rest. I'm gonna do a couple more and then I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, also what you guys can do is put the rose quartz, let me focus. The rose quartz in two of the big crystals if you want. That's what I've been doing. If you're gonna put more than one of the big crystals, you go to the side of the lip gloss tube. Like, push it in the side. Come on, focus, camera. And just squeeze it back and forth. The lip gloss will go everywhere. So it'll still be a full tube. And that's what the double crystals. Come on. Focus. Double crystal one look like. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video on how to make crystal lip gloss. This one has holographic glitter in it. Of course, you don't have to put any glitter or tint it any color that you want. I just decided to do holographic glitter lip gloss. So, and I'm only making 3 of each. So if you want to buy one, they're going to be on my site. They're probably going to sell out fast because like I said, the big crystals and the small crystals can be made into necklaces. So there'll be the rose quartz ones where just have rose quartz. They'll have the ones that just have like the one big crystal, and then the third option will be 2 big crystals and rose quartz put together. So you guys can definitely check that out if you want to buy them. I'm pretty sure they're going to sell out super fast. Like I said, after you're done using the lip gloss, you can cut open, wash off the crystals, of course, and make them into necklaces. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I know you guys really enjoy my lip gloss videos, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye!